Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SOP video update for Monday 8th of August. Now very quickly, I want you to actually watch the Bitcoin update today. Bitcoin is looking amazing, okay? So it's pretty damn good, Bitcoin right now. Damn pretty good, okay? We might be looking for Bitcoin to move to $26,000 this week alone. And that tells me a lot about SOP, okay? So SOP yesterday, quick recap, is I talked about this potential rounded bottom here. So all you're doing is, on a weekly, you're trying to print this candlesticks up here, and if you do something like that and break it out and come back for the retest, then my friend, you're looking for SOP to basically go all the way up to 996 or maybe 1 cent, no, 0.01, okay? And I'm gonna be looking to actually follow the pattern here if it actually does that. So that could be an amazing move to the upside, and that's going to be a 68% move that is pending out for SOP. So whoever is even buying down here, or someone who is holding for long term, is looking for nearly 100%, 2x move to the upside, of course. So it is what it is right now, and that's the weekly, but that's going to take a while to see what happens, okay? But what we want to see right now is the daily. The daily is actually something really interesting at the moment, and I just want to bring the EMAs right now, and let's talk about the EMAs. You are on the verge of making a bull cross. Bitcoin is on the verge of making a bull cross, and that's going to be huge, okay? If we ever have something like this, this is going to be huge. All you want to do now is you want to take the 55, the 10 here, and the 20, make the crossover, boom, go up, come back, retest this EMAs, retest this rounded bottom pattern that I just showed you, and you're good to go for that 68% move to the upside. So setups is coming in. Crypto is amazing. You are finding the good time once again. It's coming back, and it doesn't happen every single day. So enjoy when it's there, because let me tell you, 70% of the time the market is going to be boring. 70-80% of the time it is just sideways. It is only this 20-25% of the time you get such opportunities. And it's looking amazing. But I'm excited about it, of course. That's because why not? We're in here for the dough, man. We're in here for the money, man. But the thing is, if the market flips, because we're not guaranteed anything by the end of the day, number one is, if you are about to get any lower, then it makes sense to come down and retest this trend line. That's all, okay? The lower you might come here is to retest this level, but you don't want to lose 418 now, okay? You don't want to come down and take 418 level, 416. That's a problem. That's going to be an issue. As long as we're above 416, 418 now, it's fine. It's damn fine. It can come down here, retest the trend line. That's okay. That's healthy, okay? Because you're going in waveforms. Down, up, down, up, down, up, come again down, go up, come again down, go up. So that waveform is healthy. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see huge pumps and dumps like this. You want to see that slow motion move to the upside, a very collected, cool, calm, and collected move. But if you end up breaking to the downside and moving to this level, that's going to be a problem. That's going to be an issue. And we're about to get the bull cross down here. In the next few days, we're going to get the ultimate answer. It seems like we need a little bit of a more candle to be printed, maybe 2-3 more days, and we're going to get an absolute bull cross right here, and we're going to actually start shoot up to the moon once again. And that's it for today's update on SOP. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.